Hello, my little scare cubs. 'Tis I, Colton with Bear Scared Beauty, back again. And I actually haven't filmed in a while. I've been mostly streaming and depressed. Get an energy drink real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do like, so I promise I'm already filming a special effects video because I haven't done that in forever on my channel, and I like doing it, even though they don't do very well. But this is gonna be kind of like an artistic thing, because I feel like most of the videos that I do on this channel are not that great. And I don't know why, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna start with foundation, and then priming my eyes and stuff like that. I've already got my eyebrows glued down. I am gonna put eyebrows on. This isn't gonna be a drag look, but I am going to have like something coming up on my face, if that makes sense. We're gonna get into it. Gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I just realized I put so much foundation on my little palette. I do have a nice, sick, enormous zit, which I did some treatments on earlier, and it like burst just because of the acids that I was using, but it was just like slowly draining. So I did squeeze it out, but the skin's still all red and inflamed. So, you know, which is actually why I've been like abstaining from doing makeup for a little bit. Cause I was like, I don't want to bother it. But I did bother it. And now it's Angie. Forgot how good this foundation looked on me, because I haven't used it in a couple of weeks. It's like pretty high coverage, medium to high coverage, and it looks real good. 8 out of 10, would recommend. I'm kind of moving through the basic steps real quick, because it just doesn't matter. Y'all have seen people put concealer on their face on YouTube, right? Did not realize that I would actually have to use a fair bit more concealer on the brows because they're a little crevassy, crusty, dusty, and impacted. Ooh, ew, ew. Texting me! Let's talk about how I think it's weird that I get annoyed when people text me. Meanwhile, people be like, oh my god, my friends are texting. I'm like, no, don't bother me! I'm just gonna kind of use I'm going to literally use the foundation brush just to quickly blend this out and kind of highlight the chin, because I'm gonna be doing, like I said, it's gonna be artistic. We're gonna do something artistic on this channel for once. That's not just going to be regular makeup or special effects. You know, you guys watch YouTube. God, I was having a conversation on stream last night, and I just feel like, hey, this channel's not going anywhere. It's fine. I'm not like, oh my god, I want to be a YouTuber, oh my god. But I don't know, I think it's really weird that in like the beauty community, you're either a Jeffree Star clone or a James Charles clone. Like, that's it. If you're a man, anyways. I don't know, it's so weird to me. It's like, nobody wants a different personality other than like catty gay boy or like, hi sisters, like stereotypic gay boy. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna set the brows. This is the BH Studio Pro powder. You know, this isn't a good powder foundation just to wear on its own at all. I've tried it, it's not good at all. But for like setting eyebrows that have been glued down, it's actually pretty good. It's got a lot of coverage, and I like a lot of coverage. I'm like shaking so bad right now. I've eaten a little bit today. I had a French bread pizza today, all right? Because I'm on a health kick. French bread pizza. No, JK Rowling. Why? I don't know why I make so many like Harry Potter jokes and references on my channel, because I don't even like Harry Potter. I don't get why I make this. Maybe it's just because I grew up in like the Harry Potter fandom craze, like in that time frame. So that's just like, I am really annoyed when people are like, oh my god, what's your house? And I'm like, I live in an apartment. They're like, no, that's not what I mean. Your Harry Potter house. I'm like, I don't... Whichever one is annoyed with you right now, that's the house I'm in. Whichever one is like, shut the fuck up. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about your Harry Potter house. I already have enough useless information kicking around in my brain. I don't need that. I don't need any more of that. Okay. Wow. Do I have a white in any of these palettes? I've got a very pale purple. That'll. I am gonna map out what I'm gonna do on my face. So I'm gonna do like inverse hearts under my eyes and then like a tiny little heart above my brow. Just had to pull you guys in a little closer so you might be able to see what I'm doing. Probably not, but maybe. And I'm just using this to kind of sketch out the line I'm gonna use. Good enough for me. So I am going to use the Cherries on Top palette just because it really is that like Valentine's Day vibe we got going on. I'm gonna do kind of that neon look just because I like it. So I'm gonna start, I'm gonna use sprinkles to start and then I'll blend it out, probably with like Sunday or Wild Cherry, because this is like the deeper shade and that's gonna help me like get where I need to go, you know? Assuming it's even visible, you know. It could not be. And I'm just gonna keep kind of packing it on. And I'm really just trying to deepen that up, like kind of on the inner ring, because I'm gonna white out the center so it gives it that like really neon look. If that makes sense. So I really want to have it deep. Like as deep as possible on the inner edge. Now I'm gonna blend out the outer rim, if you will, with, I think I'll do Wild Cherry, because it's kind of the like, it's an in-between shade. It's an in-between shade. I don't know why every makeup artist, every person doing their makeup does that face. It does nothing. It doesn't stretch your face any more than it is already stretched. And honestly, if you know like how you're smoking it out, you can just look up. And it does the same thing. Without giving you weird wrinkles. And I'm still using the, I'm wearing so much makeup right now. I'm gonna take one of my flat blending brushes and I am going to dip into Sunday. It's the lightest shade and really buff out that edge because I really want it to be like so smooth looking, you know? And you know, when you have such a small feminine face like I do, it is kind of hard to work with the real estate you have on your face sometimes, so you know, just do what works for you. Let it get caught in your beard that you shaved, even though you probably shouldn't have because it's just irritating your skin more when you're really trying to not have your skin irritated more, or whatever, but you know. When has my channel ever been about making good choices? Never! That's what. Sorry, the under eye is creasing a little bit because I am a man that is nearly 30 and I disrespect my body every day. Find out more on stream. That's Twitch TV/BearScareBeauty every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 10 p.m. to midnight Pacific Standard Time. Come say hi. All right, so we got that kind of base shape going on. I'm gonna white this out. This is the ColourPop liner in Exit. It's one of the few white liners that I've seen lately. It's dry. It's a very dry liner. I've been trying to rehydrate it with the Inglot Duraline, which, I mean, Duraline's gonna last you, one bottle will last you for the rest of your life. So it's not that big a deal. It's also really cheap, but they really need to work on the formulation of this ColourPop liner. Because NYX discontinued their white liner, which is annoying. But hey, You know, I think NYX actually oh my god, my voice just broke there. Am I going through puberty again? I think I'm having a stroke. I think NYX actually discontinued all of their gel liners, which is a little weird because their gel liners were inexpensive and good. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna start making that heart shape on the inside. Okay, I actually just cleaned that area off with some eye makeup cleaner. I'm actually using the Neutrogena eye makeup cleaner because the white was not powerful enough to cut through the inch-thick layer of makeup I have caked on right now. So this is going to give it a chance to really stand out. And there we go. You could also just use white face paint for this, but I didn't want to. Alright, well apparently my memory card decided she wanted to clock out early today, so we got a new card in. I just finished up the thing I was doing on my face with that neon heart, and now I'm just dipping into a matte white. This is White Lies in the little bit Psycho palette. And I'm just gonna kind of set that a little bit just to make it pop. Okay, so I got the bottom heart done. Now I'm gonna do the little top heart. The top heart is going to be significantly smaller. But I'm also gonna make it red. I kind of like that. So I'm just gonna take the red from the Little Bit Psycho palette. This is Vamped. And I'm gonna start at like the eyebrow and bring it up just above the eyebrow. Like so. I'm just taking a really fine detailing brush, and I'm gonna make the heart shape with this brush. And don't worry about it being absolutely perfect, because we can just clean it up. And right now it is far from perfect, but I just want to make sure we got that little heart. And then I'm just gonna bring that red line down further. I'm gonna bring it down onto the lid. And then we're gonna work on the eyes next. Okay, now that that's down on the lid, hello. I'm gonna take a fine little blending brush, and I'm gonna start with this, and I'm gonna keep it kind of round if I can. I'm gonna blend that a little bit high. When I say a little bit higher in the crease, I mean up to the eyebrow. Kaboom, like so. We're gonna do the brow on this side, and I'm just using that red. We're gonna make the brow with the red. And I'm just gonna follow my natural brow. So we got that outline of a brow now. To give it more texture, I'm gonna use Knockout. It's like the really deep red. Excuse me, micro brow brush. I'm gonna use my micro angled brush. Excuse you, stray cat hair. Now, I do want some shimmer. Ooh. I'm gonna take this hot pink shimmer. It's called Showy. And I'm just gonna put that on the lid. I look crazy, but you know, it's all good. It's like the perfect shimmer for this. Ooh. All right, I'm going to clean it up with concealer. I'm just getting foundation all over my everything right now, because I am messy. I'm gonna start with the heart. And I'm just gonna kind of go around the brow a wee bit again. Kind of like you would a normal brow if you like to carve it out with concealer. On the tail end. I think it looks fine everywhere else, but just on the tail end. For laziness sake, I'm actually going to do the lips, and then I'm just going to finish the eye off camera. I'm a little bit crunched on time. I got my partner coming over. We're going to do the lippy lips. Gonna take a lip liner. This is the NYX lip liner in Burgundy. I really like these lip liners, actually. I'm just gonna accentuate the cute. I'm gonna make a heart on my lips. Okay. This is even if it's gonna get. Okay, and the great thing about using the foundation / concealer lip is that I can just take some and clean it up. My lips look so chapped right now, oh my god. It's because they are, because I'm dehydrated. I've been celebrating a little bit by drinking some tequila because I got a promotion / a different job at my current job. I'm gonna take the hot red from Makeup Forever. You know, the more that I use this, the more it's growing on me. It is a really good formula, but just like, I don't know, lipsticks are expensive and I don't like it, you know? I'm gonna use that on a lip brush and we're just gonna fill it in. Okay. Those are the lips. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera. Okay? Okay, one moment here. Okay, I just finished everything off camera because whatever. This is the main. My boyfriend's here.
Hi!
He wanted to photobomb. He was so excited.
Adorable? Truly.
Thanks. I'd kiss you, but you don't like lipstick.
True, I don't.
I'll get it all over your beard. Anyways, yeah, so this is me being a terrifying clown thing.
You're not a terrifying clown, you're adorable.
Oh, I'm a horrifying clown.
You're adorable.
Look at these heart lips. They look like Bette Midler in Hocus Pocus.
She's got a bigger nose. And more hair. Even more hair than you.
That's true. Anyways, hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh yeah, my Unis Honest merch finally came in after ordering it in November. Yeah, anyways, hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, Bear Scare Beauty. Follow me Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. Also YouTube, same way it's spelled here. I love you guys so much. Hope you have a good day, week, month, or year. Bye.